Well, I think it's been said that there's a certain clarity to great ideas in that it is so apparent why this security is mispriced and where the opportunity is that it almost hits you over the head. And what I've found, when I've looked back at the ideas that have been successful for me and the ones that have been unsuccessful, almost entirely the ones that have been successful have been the ones where the core thesis was simple, clear, and concise. And the process undergoing was also relatively straightforward and concise. I've found where I've gotten into trouble is the ideas that have required me to, be on the 15th tab in my spreadsheet, going through some complex formula, or digging through the back corners of the internet for some odd factoid or some little bit of data. And it's those more complex processes that generally I think are just evidence of a lack of real understanding of what the key drivers are of the thesis, of what the real opportunity is, and whether or not it's clearly an attractive risk reward. And so when I've actually added a step to my checklist near the end where it says, have you been forced to search for obscure or complicated data? Because that is generally a sign that I'm pushing myself to make this interesting, not that it is just so interesting that it's completely, clear to me from the get-go. And I find that if you can't put an investment idea in the positives and negatives and the full thesis in less than a page, then you don't fully understand the attractiveness of the opportunity.